Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate coconut flapjacks. You will need 200 grams of porridge oats, 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, 50 grams of desiccated coconuts, and 100 grams of milk chocolate. To start with, to the porridge oats, add your coconut and give it a mix until well combined. And then in a saucepan over a medium to low heat, add your butter, your sugar and your golden syrup. And mix until everything is melted and well combined together. Then simply add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients. Give it a mix until everything is well coated. Then pre-grease and pre-line a baking tin. Mine is 7 inches square or 18 centimetres square. Simply put your mixture into your tin. Spread out and press down as much as you can do. And then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 25 to 30 minutes or until the top is golden. And then you want to melt your chocolate. So I just chop my chocolate up, pop it in a microwavable bowl and pop in the microwave for 20 seconds at a time, stirring in between each time in the microwave until it is fully melted. You can do it over a bain-marie, which is a saucepan of boiling water with a bowl over the top with the chocolate in top, whichever way you prefer. And then simply spoon the chocolate over the top of your flapjack, spreading out as evenly as possible. And then pop in the fridge to allow it to set. I just popped in for half an hour just to allow the chocolate to set, and then chop into the size pieces you want. And there you have it. That's how you make chocolate coconut flapjacks.